Hey, you're in luck. I'm at a different condo this time and I've got the same problem. The chain was pulled out. It's stuck on medium and I tried my best to pull it out, you know, like I did the other one, to pull the chain. See the little chain in there? I tried to reach in there and I grabbed it and I think something's broken in there because it won't retract all the way and click. Okay, so this one I've got to pull out and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. See, the reason why we have to pull that out, it's stuck in medium, and so I know if I could grab the chain, I could pull it to low and then pull it again off and then pull it again to fast. Well, I can't do that this time. So there's another trick to this. Let's just see how to do this. I've got to unscrew this. Okay. Unscrew that carefully. It's got little threads on it. Now I can push this in and pull this out here like that so I can work on it. Okay, now see, there's two nibs. There's two nibs on there. See, right there and right there. That's what holds it on there. And so I gotta be careful with this. I've gotta somehow get this off. And I'm trying to remember how I did it last time, because I have to kind of hang on to it and get that off at the same time. It's kind of tricky because I have to pull this top bit off. See, without breaking it. Man, I'm trying to remember how I did this. Because I think one side pushes off easier than the other. I'm just gonna have to kind of fiddle with it for a while. Let's see what I can do about it. See, I'm trying to hold it and push it, but I'm holding it and it's keeping it from separating. Yeah. There. I think I got it. So I got this side here, like that. Hold that and pry this side off. And I've got to hope that the wires don't get all messed up as they come off. Okay. I've got to remember how that goes on. Okay. This is what I have so far, and this wire came out, so I have to push that in. Another wire came out, a blue wire came out. See, it's kind of tricky once that comes out. Darn it. my wires are coming out. That's why you gotta hold this just right, hold your mouth just right. That's gotta be pushed in. Boy, watch it, all of them are gonna fall out. Shoot. Boy. I've got a blue one. Gotta somehow put that back in. There's a definite little nib there. See, this is the tricky part. That's why I was hoping that chain was gonna just slip in there. But it didn't. It didn't. Come on. So I gotta look at that. Well, that goes up like that. Okay. Boy, almost need some needle nose or something. I think I got it backwards. That's what's happening. I think it goes this other way. Like that. There. Why it's not... See, now everything's coming out. Darn it. The gray one goes right there. And the blue one, shoot. The blue one gets pushed in. Not sure what's going on with this. Why it's not seating properly. Okay, I think I got... Shoot. Aha. I just don't have it in there right. Now I see how it is supposed to fit in there. There. Now I can push the blue one in. And now this other one's come off for the white. Before I... shoot. Everything's coming off, darn it. Well, I've got to work on this. I know the white one, or the gray one goes next, but see this middle thing, I've got to turn it I got to turn this. There's a little metal thing on there. If I turn it once, that'll go to medium or slow, then off, then high over there. Okay, so that's where I have to be. And where's my little clippies? So now, once I put my clips on, that should be going over to high. You see what I mean? It's kind of tricky to get all this stuff pushed back where it's supposed to go. I'm gonna keep working on it. I finally got that one. I pushed that one back in like that, and then this one over here is the white, I believe. Okay. Now I gotta snap that cover back on, and I can't really remember which way it goes. I don't really think it's gonna matter as long as I just put it on there. See, I snapped it on. Okay, and I think that's it. I think I have it. Before I put that through here, I'm gonna hook this back up. Okay, and let's see if it's on high, because if it's not, I gotta pull it apart and turn that again.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.